Many clinics think that they're competing on treatments, but what actually determines success is positioning. In this video, I want to show you how to stop copying competitors and to start making deliberate strategic decisions using AI. Here's what typically happens. Clinic owners look at competitors, check their prices, maybe adjust slightly and assume that's being competitive. But what actually happens is they blend into the middle of the market and become indistinguishable. But instead of asking what others are charging, you should be asking where is the gap in the market? And that one question moves you from reacting to competitors to thinking strategically about your business. And this is where AI can become really useful because it can analyze multiple signals quickly, pricing, branding, reviews, messaging, and give you a clear picture of how your local market is structured. When you map a market, most clinics fall into three categories: budget, mid-tier, and premium. The important point is not which one is best, it's whether you've actually chosen your position deliberately. This is where most clinics can get stuck. They haven't clearly decided where they sit, so their pricing, messaging, and client or patient experience all become inconsistent. Once you do decide your position, everything else starts to align. Your pricing makes sense, your messaging becomes clearer, and you attract the right type of client rather than trying to appeal to everyone. There's two prompts that can help you with this. I've included both of those in the description underneath the video. And the first prompt helps you map your competitors and understand the structure of your local market. You're not copying, you're analysing and identifying gaps. Once you've mapped the market, the next step is turning that insight into action. So use the second prompt to help define pricing properly. Not just what to charge, but how to structure packages, increase revenue per client, and align everything with your chosen position. Clinic owners are often confused about price and positioning, and they focus on whether they're either too cheap or too expensive. But the real issue is that they're unclear, and that lack of clarity can confuse patients or clients. Using AI doesn't necessarily replace your current strategy, but what it does do is reveal the landscape so that you can make better decisions. It shows you where you are and where you could go. So if you haven't properly addressed pricing and positioning in your local area for a while, these two simple prompts can help give you better clarity about how to effectively position yourself against local clinics.